You're welcome to Dynamic Educational Hub channel, your answer to the very question. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon to get notified when I release new video. What are we learning in this video? This video we are going to be solving Euclidean geometry question based on WAEC past question, which is 2022 number 11 question. So we are going to solve the A and the B. Now let's look at the first question here, which is the exterior angles of a polygon are 42 degree, 38 degree, 57 degree, x degree, x plus 7 degree, 2x minus 15 degree, and 3x minus y degree. If x is 7 less than y, find the value of x and y. So that is the A part. Now the B of this question is we have a diagram here. In the diagram, O is the center of circle XYZ. Angle ZXO is equals to 34 degree and angle XOY is equals to 146 degree. Find angle OYZ using this diagram. The diagram is not drawn to scale. How are we going to solve this? Let's start solving it. Now to solve the first question over here is very simple. Let's observe the question first. In the question, we are given the exterior angles of unknown polygon. We don't know the name of the polygon. So let's fix the name of the polygon. Okay? To fix the name of the polygon, we are going to count the angles given, the exterior angles given. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is an heptagon. Now, heptagon. Is it regular or irregular? Obviously, it is irregular heptagon. Look at it. All these angles are not equal, so irregular heptagon. All right. Which angle are we given here? All these angles are what? Exterior angles, not interior angles. If you are adding exterior angles of any polygons together, what is the value you are getting? You will get 360 degree. You can check out my channel for the proof of some of the exterior angles of any polygon. So regardless of the number of the size a polygon is having, if you add all the exterior angles together, you are going to get 360 degrees, either regular or irregular polygon. Exterior angles, sum of the exterior angles is 360 degree. That is what we are going to use here. Look at this statement here. If x is 7 less than y, let's see how to apply that. Now let's have a solution here. What we want to do is we want to use the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. So we add all these angles together. So we have 42 degree plus 38 degree here plus 57 degree here plus x degree plus x plus y degree plus 2x minus 15 degree plus 3x minus y degree. Everything should give us 360 degree. Why? Sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is equals to 360 degree. Now let's collect like terms. Bring all the numbers together and all the x together, y together. So we are going to have 42 degree here plus 38 degree plus 57 degree. Which other values do we have here? Minus 15 degree plus x degree plus another x degree here. So we can expand this. Now we have plus 2x degree here. Which other x do we have here? Plus 3x degree here. Let's continue here. So we have y, isn't it? Plus y degree. This is what I've done. I expand this x plus y using this degree. So we're going to have plus x degree plus y degree. The same thing applicable to this. So we have plus y degree here. Which other y do we have? Minus y degree, and everything should be 360 degree. Let's add all these values together. This plus this, we have 80 degree plus 57 minus 15 degree, we are going to get 42 degree plus x plus x plus 2x plus 3x. This is 2x, 4x, 7x plus 7x plus y degree minus y degree, that's 0. So we are left with what is equals to 360 degree. So 80 degree here plus 42 degree, we are going to have 122 degree plus 7x is equals to 360 degree. Let's come over to this side. So we want to find x, so collect like terms. 7x is equals to 360 degree minus 122 degree. It's very simple. You subtract 122 from both sides. Concept of equation. So you have 7x is equals to, what's 360 minus 122? So we are going to have 8, 3, then we have 2 here. Okay, 7x is equals to 238. So divide both sides by 7. 7 cancel 7 here. It implies that x is equals to 23 divided by 7, that is 3. 7 times 3, 21. Remain what? Remain that 2. In 28, we have what? 4. So x is 34. There is a statement here that we can use to get the value of y, which is x is less than y by 7. It also implies that y is greater than x by 7. If you want to change this greater than, less than to equal sign, it's very simple. Let's talk about this first one. For x to be equals to 7, you are going to add what? You are going to add 7. So which means x plus 7 should be equals to y here. If you want to use this, it also implies that y minus 7, because y is by 7 greater than x. So you have to remove the 7 to be equals to x. Y minus 7 is equals to x. Alright, so is either you use this or you use this to get your y. So if you are using this, y is equals to x plus 7, which means what? 34 plus 7, and that is 41. So if you are using this, y minus 7 is equals to x. So y is equals to what? X plus 7 again. Y is equals to x plus 7. Is equals to what? 41. That's how to solve this question very quickly. Over to the second question, which is very interesting, which is also simple. Now we have in the diagram, O is the center of circle XYZ. Angle, let me show you the angle here. Angle, we have Z, starting from Z, X, O here, 34 degree. And angle X, O, Y here is 146 degree. Find angle O, Y, Z. So which means we are going to find this angle here. We're talking about this angle. So let's use X to represent the angle. We don't know this X degree. Let's just put X degree there. How are we going to solve this? It's very simple. Just calm down here. Make sure you watch my circle geometry playlist. So let's have a solution here. This one will not take much of a time. We are going to use the previous knowledge, which is polygon as well. And we are going to use just a single theorem of circle. Look at this angle here. This one is subtended at the center, 146 degree. And there is a theorem that says the angle subtended at the center is twice the one at any part of the circumference. So which means this angle should be half of 146. That is what it implies. So let's go. Angle XOY should be equals to 2 times angle XZ, angle XZY. Okay, let me clean this guy here. Let's use dots here since we have X here. Multiply by angle XZY. Why? Angle at the center is twice that at circumference. Okay, let's just have it that way. Okay, now let's find angle XZY. So which means angle XZY will be equals to angle XOY divided by 2. You divide both sides by 2, which is, what is angle XOY? We have it in the question. XOY is 146 degree divided by 2. So which is 73 degree. So we have gotten this angle here, 73 degree. Let's go. Now we want to find this x. Can't we find this angle here? We can find it. So we are going to have angle XOY plus angle X here OZ, this angle XOZ plus angle YOZ should be equals to 360 degree. Why? Angles meeting at a point, or sum of angle missing at a point, you have it here. Now let's find angle XOZ plus YOZ. The whole of this is XOZ plus YOZ. So YOZ and XOZ is all this angle here. Okay, so we now have angle XOZ plus angle YOZ will be equals to 360 degree minus angle XOY. So obviously 360 degree minus 146 degree. So when we do this, what are we going to have? We have 4 here, we have 1 here, then we have 2 here. So we have 214 degree. Now someone is asking me, why do we need this angle? I'm going to show you why we need this angle. Let me show you something here. Now let's look at this shape here. How many sided polygon do we have here? Let me clean something here for you guys. This line here. So let me use my pen to clean it. So let's say we decide to clean this guy here. This line. I've cleansed the line. Okay, so we have an angle here which is 73 degree here. This one is 73 degree. We have an angle here which is 214 degree. So we have x here. Now we have interior angles here 1, 2, 3, 4 plus x. That is interior angles. And what is the name of this polygon here? How many sided polygon? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a quadrilateral, a convex quadrilateral, because the interior angles here is a reflex angle. One interior angle is a reflex angle. That is why this is a convex quadrilateral. Now some of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is what? 360 degrees. So if you are adding all these angles together, you are going to get 360 degrees. That's another approach to solving this question. This is not how it is being solved. When I check WAEC, this is another approach to solve this question. So which means that 214 degree, one of the interior angles, plus 34 degree plus 73 degree plus x degree should be equals to 360 degree. So add all these guys together. What are we going to have? 214 plus 34 degrees. So we are going to have 248 degree plus 73 degree plus x degree should give us 360 degree. So what is 248 plus 73 degree? We are going to have 1 here. We are going to have 5 here. We are going to have 2 here. 251 plus x degree is equals to 360 degree. So x degree will give us 360 degree minus 251 degree. So x degree will give us this guy minus this guy. We are going to have 9 here, 0 here, 1 here, 109 degree. So which implies that x is equals to 109. That is how to solve this question. So I want you to comment your view about my approach to solving this question in your comment section. Which other method can you use to solve this question? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of physics tutorials you can check out. I have mathematics tutorial, a complete tutorial on matrix as well. Thank you for watching this video.